Hello and welcome to the Agent Survival Guide podcast. This is our series, Agent Apps. I'm your host, Tina Lamoureux. This series introduces you to apps that will make daily life and your business run smoother. From fitness, travel, to personal planners, and more, we've tested them all. This week's apps are cloud storage apps. You may use multiple electronic devices throughout your day. Cloud storage makes it easier to switch between devices while keeping your workflow. Say you're at an appointment with a client and you have some files on your laptop that you need to share with them. But unfortunately, you left your laptop at home. If these files were saved on the hard drive of your laptop, you'd be in a bit of a bind. If you uploaded them to the cloud, you could access those files on your tablet or smartphone. What is cloud storage? It is storing data online to be accessed at any time. You're probably familiar with Microsoft Outlook's cloud storage, Google Drive, and for you Apple users, iCloud. The downside to these apps is you're only given a certain amount of storage space for free. After you hit the limit of free gigabytes, you need to pay for more storage. Of course, we can't expect everything to be free, but you can still search for a deal. So, I wanted to compare the storage space, features, and security of cloud storage apps offering free plans. Let's get started. The first app I want to talk about is DropBox. DropBox offers a free basic account. With it, you get one user, 2 gigabytes of storage, file backups, file syncing, file sharing, and you can connect up to 3 devices. Just as the name implies, it's pretty basic. Once you use your 2 gigs of cloud storage, you have the option to get free storage by referring friends. With each referral, you earn up to 500 megabytes, up to 16 gigs. That's a lot of work for extra space, so it may not be worth your time. Now, when someone starts talking numbers, my head starts to spin. So let's put gigabytes into perspective. If you're only storing Word documents in the cloud, you'll be able to use it for a while. 1 gigabyte can store nearly 65,000 Microsoft Word pages. This may vary depending on file type and formatting. Dropbox does not limit the size of the files you upload. The downside of only having 2 gigabytes is once you get into bigger files like PDFs, videos, audio, and images, that space fills up quickly. Dropbox features 5 paid storage plans, Plus, Professional, Standard, Advanced, and Enterprise. Dropbox also has a set of plans that offer more tools besides storage, like the ability to sign documents, screen recording, and more. As I mentioned earlier, for this episode, I'm focusing on the free version of the app. The Dropbox mobile app is pretty straightforward. It even offers a built-in document scanner tool. Moving on to security, on Dropbox, your files are encrypted with a 256-bit Advanced Encryption Standard, AES, and has the option for 2-step verification. Now, I didn't know what 256-bit AES was, but after some research, I discovered it's one of the best forms of encryption out there. If you want more information about the security of the apps in this episode, check out the links in the episode description. Dropbox is available for free download on Apple, Android, Windows, and on web browser. Now, the next app I have for you has a similar name. It's called Box. This app has a lot of great features for free and on the paid versions. With the free individual plan, you get 10 gigs of cloud storage with a 250 megabyte size limit on uploads. You can e-sign up to 5 documents a month, have virtual notes, and access to Box Canvas, a virtual whiteboard for collaboration. One thing that sets Box apart is the ability to integrate with Microsoft 360, Google Workspace, and other third-party programs. Box also features 256-bit advanced encryption standard and optional two-step verification. All of this sounds great, and I was excited to try out the app, but my experience was not what I expected. When I created my account on the mobile app, whenever I backed out of the app, it would sign me out. I checked the settings and did not find any way to switch that off. At first, I thought it may be a security feature, but later on, when I backed out of the app, it sometimes would sign me out, or I would stay signed in. There was no method to the madness. The Note tab only loaded for me once, and the other times I clicked on it, I got a loading screen or a blank white screen. Okay, so the fancy features of Box don't work. What about the executive function, file storage? No luck there. I made sure the app had permission to access my media files. When I attempted to upload a file, nothing happened. There was no notification on my phone asking for permissions or showing the upload. I tried downloading the Welcome to Box PDF in my folder, but I got the same result. I thought maybe I needed the desktop version of the app before using mobile, but I did not find anywhere on the Box website or on a Google search that was the case. Maybe you'll have better luck with Box than I did. Box is available for free download on Apple, Windows, Android, and web browser. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next episode.